So we're in the city of Stanton today with GRIP, which is a gang reduction intervention partnership. We've got about 42 kids out here today, tomorrow and on Wednesday, and it's a 3-day camp, spring break camp. We've set up some pure game fields. We're getting these kids playing soccer. There'll be other fun and games as we go through this. And the big thing here is we're going to teach them some lessons that they can take away into their community. Today we're talking about respect, responsibility and safety. A big part of respect on the soccer field is just helping teammates up, making sure everyone's safe, and taking responsibility for that. So all three come out here onto the soccer field, and then we can take it back into the community and show them how that they can be work exactly the same thing in their home, school, and like I said, community. All fun stuff, but all very important to the growth and development of these kids.